Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am back with another video, and today I just wanted to share something really quick. Um, I've been making these gift card holders from my creative time, and I have to say I'm in love with this die. Let me come down a little closer so you can see them a little better. I gotta put this up somewhere. So this is the, I think it's the frap, and then here's the slit that you would put your gift card in. And I just used, this is her fun size holiday bow that I love this bow. I love how it's layered. I love everything about it. I used paper from Michael's today. I mean this paper line, the plaid, Christmas plaid. And I used some vellum from my stash, and I just love how these came out. And then this is the coffee. Where is it? See, I used the fun size bow die. And then this one, oh, I don't have the, this is the coffee die. I haven't put it in with my magnets yet, but I just love these. They're so cute. And I'm gonna put a card in there for, these are for teachers and for um, gifts to nieces and nephews. So I just love how these came out. And they were really easy to put together. And this one I used 65-pound cardstock, but I had to back it with some packaging that I love to recycle, the packaging from stickers or die cuts and stuff like that. I love reusing them because it gives it a little bit more, stability. And then you can barely see the little whipped cream in the background. I really love how these just turned out. This one, you can definitely see the whipped cream in the background. So these are really cute little, gifts in itself. It just gives the gift card a little presentation. You know, I just love that. So I made 10. And I just love putting them together, and I distressed the edges of because this was a piece, the backing was a piece, this was a piece, this was a piece, and this teeny tiny like hole, where you sip your coffee, was a piece. So I mean, I have a feeling I'm gonna lose that piece. I just know it. And these are flat bows, and you can just fluff it up and make it, dimensional, but they're easy to fold down and ready to be mailed, which I absolutely thought that was a brilliant idea on Emma's part. And I just love these. These are so adorable. So I just wanted to come on real quick and show what I've been up to today. I've been crafting and I love it. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great holiday season if I do not come back on. If I do, yay! But if I don't, I want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. But I know it's really early. It's only 2 weeks away, but it's gonna come real quick, and I know I may not have enough time to come back on, but you just never know. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you next time. Bye everyone.